Zinyue, your premier aluminum product manufacturer, right here in the heart of Foshan. With over 16 years of experience, we're not just a factory. We're your one-stop solution for all things aluminum. We're diving into a stunning range of products that redefine your living spaces. First up, we have our exquisite aluminum frame glass doors. These beauties not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also provide durability and security. Imagine the natural light flooding in while maintaining your privacy. Next, let's talk about our aluminum sliding wardrobe doors. Perfect for maximizing space. These doors glide effortlessly, making your daily routine a breeze. Plus, they come in a variety of finishes to match your style. Looking to showcase your treasures? Our glass cabinets are the perfect solution. With their sleek design, they add a touch of sophistication while keeping your items safe and visible. For those who love a blend of materials, our aluminum wood cabinets offer a warm yet modern touch. And don't forget about our hanging track doors, ideal for creating open spaces without sacrificing style. And let's not overlook our screens, aluminum panel cabinets, and versatile shelving options. Each product is crafted with precision, ensuring they meet your needs while looking fabulous. Every detail matters. Our aluminum handles and vents are designed for both functionality and style, ensuring your home is as beautiful as it is practical. Quality is our top priority. Every product undergoes a rigorous 100% inspection, guaranteeing that you receive only the best for your home. Each product undergoes rigorous testing to meet international standards, ensuring that you receive only the best. Our dedicated team of experts works closely with you, turning your ideas into reality. Whether you need custom designs or standard products, we've got you covered. But don't just take our word for it. Our clients trust us for our reliability and commitment to excellence. We pride ourselves on building lasting relationships and delivering on time every time. Ready to elevate your project with high-quality aluminum products? Contact Zinyue today and experience the difference of a true industry leader.